The WaterMonster Hose Splitter is an efficient and easy way to fill paper cups for running races. Your volunteers will appreciate not having to lift heavy jugs or scoop water from trash cans. One WaterMonster tank can service 3,000 cups, and with the hose splitter, it can service multiple tables over a distance of 50 feet. To install, screw the splitter into the 1-inch ball valve. It is very important not to over-tighten. Doing so can break the splitter. Next, screw in both hoses to the splitter. Uncoil and extend both hoses, making sure there are no kinks. Open the WaterMonster tank ball valve and use the valve at the end of the hose to establish the water flow. It may take several seconds for the water to travel the length of the hose. When filling cups, you can control the water flow with the hose valve. If you have no water flow, verify there are no kinks in the hose. Also, since the water flow is gravity fed, flow will be disrupted if you raise the hose above the water level in the tank. If this happens, lower the end of the hose below the tank until the flow is reestablished. When paired up with the WaterMonster Cup Corral, high winds blowing over empty cups is a thing of the past. Perfect cup placement has never been easier.